In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install Fundorex, that's crowdfunding and donation platform scripts. Now, to purchase this script, kindly use our affiliate link in description to purchase the script. Now, after purchasing the script, let's go straight to our cPanel. Before that, let's look at this Fundorex. Is a crowdfunding and donation platform credible change on how you build a crowdfunding platform and so on. It's a very good template. So use the link in our affiliate link to purchase it. Then my cPanel. There is my cPanel. Next, I go to my file manager. From my file manager, I will go to my domain or subdomain depending on what I'm using. For this tutorial, I'm using a subdomain, which is this. I have already uploaded my script, so let me extract it. Extract files. So next I click on close. So after extracting it, I open it. Then I select all. I now move them to the root folder. Move files. Then up one level. So after now, next I will go back to my cPanel to my database to create my database, my SQL databases. Then next I create my database. Let me name this as this, create database. Then next I click on go back. After creating my database, then next I'm going to create my user. Let me scroll down to create my user. So let me name my user as this. Then I click on create user. After creating my user, I click on go back. Then next I add my user to my database. So I scroll down. Here is it. It has already selected it for me. So I just click on add. I give up privileges, then move down to make changes. So success. Next I now go to my subdomain, enter. Then next I click on go to install wizard. Okay, scroll down. I agree. Next step. Next, everything is in order. Next. Next. So yeah, my okay, set database name. It is it. That's the username. Database name. Here's my database name. This is my username, and this is my okay. Next name. Let me say admin. Here too, let me say admin. Okay, let me say admin at admin.com. Then check database connection. Okay, let me see admins install now. It has been installed successfully, so click on visit site or visit website. I have successfully uploaded my script. As you can see, from here I can go to anywhere. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also use link in description. That's my affiliate link to purchase scripts. Thank you.